Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss one problem comes under inference theory using the rules rule P and rule T. Also using rule CP. Okay, let us take one problem. So that the hypothesis is it is not sunny this afternoon and it is colder than yesterday. First sentence. In this sentence contains a conjunction and then second sentence we will go swimming only if it is sunny. So it is in the form of if then, and then third one, if we do not go swimming then we will take a canoe trip. It is also in the form of if then. And then fourth one, if we take a canoe trip then we will be home, then we will be home by sunset. It is the fourth one. So these four sentences combined and then give the conclusion we will be home by sunset. Okay, these sentences converting into symbolic form first and then take the derivation part, we prove the problem. Okay, so first let us assign the variables for each simple sentences in the given following sentences. Okay, in this first compound sentence containing two simple sentences. First one, it is not sunny this afternoon, and then second one, it is colder than yesterday. So the first one contains negation form. We take the positive, remove the negation form, and then take this and then assign the variable. So it is sunny this afternoon. Assign the variable A, and then second one, it is colder than yesterday. It is assigned by the variable B. So in a similar manner, we will go swimming only. This one is assigned by C. And then fourth one, we will take a canoe trip. It is assigned by D. And then final one, we will be home by sunset. It is assigned by G. So in the given problem, there are 5 simple sentences. These 5 simple sentences assigned by the variables A, B, C, D, and E. Now using these variables, it is converting into symbolic form as the first one contains a conjunction, and so it can be converted into symbolic form as negation A and B because it is not sunny this afternoon. It contains the negation negative form. Therefore, the first sentence can be converted into symbolic form as negation A and B. And second one in the form of if then, so it can be converted into symbolic form as C implying. So in a similar manner, the third one converting into symbolic form as negation C imply D, and then fourth one D imply E, and then final the conclusion E. Now using the rules rule P and rule T, we can it is enough to prove that E follows from the given premises, that is negation A and B, comma C imply A, comma negation C imply D, and D imply E. Okay. First premise, negation A and B introduced in the first step using rule P. It can be split into two statements, negation A and B, using the simplification rule in the second step and third step, and introduce the second one, C imply A, in the fourth step using rule P. Now comparing step number 2 and step number 4 using modest tolerance rule, that is P comma Q comma negation Q imply negation P. That is a modest tolerance rule. So using this rule, we get negation C in the fifth step using rule T, and introduce another premise, negation C imply D, in the step number 6 using rule P. Now comparing fifth and the sixth step using modest ponens rule, we get D, and then introduce the final premise D imply E in the step number 8 using rule P. Now comparing step number 7 and 8, we get E again using modest ponens rule. So finally we get E from the given following premises, negation E and B, C imply A, negation C imply D, and D imply E. Okay, thank you.